In today's video, I'll be showing you how to access Canva Pro for free through a completely legal method. Let's dive into the video. Open your browser and head over to your search bar. Next, type in this word, awesome. Now hit the first link and it will take you to its interface. Fill in the necessary details. Your name, your telephone number, your email address, and your password. Now hit the register button. Moving on, click on the Canva Pro option. Now click on canva.com and you will be directed to Canva official login page. You need to log in with the email and password you were provided with. So click on Login. After that, click on Continue with Email. Copy the email and paste it where it is being demanded. Now copy the password also and paste it where it is needed. After that, you will be logged in automatically into Canva official homepage. So now, let's create a YouTube thumbnail by making use of the Pro features and see if this is going to work. Select the thumbnail that has the Pro feature on it. Moving on, let's use the Pro background removal tool. Upload any picture you want to remove the background for. Now move it to the thumbnail and select the background removal tool. So you can see that the background is being removed without Canva telling you to join Pro before you can make use of the Background Pro feature. You can download it to your download folder or leave it as a project. If this video has helped you gain access to the Pro features, please subscribe and turn on notification for bigger updates on our future videos.